Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Marvel Spider-Man 2 crashing on PS5. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So you need first to get your game and PS5 up to speed. So first things first, let's ensure that you're running the latest updates. So to have the game updated, what you need to do first is to find the Spider-Man 2 icon on your home screen and then just press the trusty options button on your controller, select check for update. And after that, for the console update, you need to make sure that the PS5 firmware is up to date. So navigate to the settings and then go to the system and then select system software. And then just simply hit up system software and update settings. So just follow the on-screen prompts to update your console. And then lastly, what you can do is to reboot your console. So sometimes all it takes is a good old-fashioned restart. So power down your PS5 completely, then fire it back up after a few moments. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you have the crashing problem on your Spider-Man 2 on PS5. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.